So in this video I'm going to show you how you can replicate the same method to start having $500 days or weeks, right? Using specially crafted email traffic. So what do I mean by that? As you can see here on the screen, you see the revenue is $975 and revenue per click is $1.9, right? $1.95. So basically almost $2 per click generated, right? So we have sent 500 clicks, right? And out of 500 clicks, we generated $975 running one affiliate offer. It was actually a digital course, let's say mini ebook offer, and it generated, as you can see, $975 in revenue. So conversion rate, it was 10%. And also another great thing is this: you don't have to set up any website, no blog, no website, no landing page, right? The only thing you do need is basically your affiliate link that you can generate, for example, on MaxWeb or ClickBank, right? You can go there and basically type in the offer and go and click on promote now, and you will receive your affiliate link. So what is the best thing about this method is that if you need money right now, right? If you need some revenue right now, you can implement this as soon as in today, right now. Why? Because you don't have to set up any ads manager, you don't have to run likes campaign, you don't have to wait for a week, right, to set up your website. So all can be done in first 24 hours of getting started, right? So when you buy this buyer traffic clicks, right, the buyers clicks, what you can do with that is you will start receiving daily traffic sent to your affiliate link, right? So basically what we do over here is we just tested the list, we send clicks to our offer, and then we generate, as you can see, the money here, the revenue in our account. So if you're watching this video and if you want to do the similar thing, right, then you can click the links below this video, reach out to me on Facebook or Instagram or WhatsApp, right, or even email. You can reach out to me by any of those means, and then we can connect together one-on-one and get you the buyers clicks, the buyers traffic, right? Because as you know, direct linking, sending traffic straight to the link, is not possible on Google, it's not possible on Facebook, they will shut you down. But the only way that you can send or still do direct linking is basically with email traffic, with our traffic. We send you the traffic from different email lists, right, that are generated in our metrics, and then you receive those daily clicks and conversions on ClickBank or any affiliate offer that you want to promote, right? So we also suggest you which offer to promote, which one has a great upsell take rate, right? Because once the customer buys, let's say, one offer, right, they will be offered another one for the upsell. So in some cases you can make recurring or passive income, recurring revenue from those kind of income streams, right? So it's really a great way if you're looking to make some serious amount of money online using buyers clicks and buyers traffic. So do let me know, and if you're interested, I will let you know the buyers clicks packages, what offer we have, what exactly you're getting, and how it works. So again, thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips.